Hello friends, welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to explain you billing software. I will be giving you step by step full tutorial how to use this software, what are the options available to you, and please go through the video full before purchasing the software so that you will have fair idea of the use case of this software. So let us start with the video. So when you will start this software for the first time after purchase, you will see this screen that please make sure to register this application. Basically, this application is not registered till now and you will have to register it. So registration process is very simple. There is a small form which you have to submit and register the software. This is one time process. Just click on register. You will have license key. Name you will have to put any name of yours. If you are individual, of your company, or any name you want. Email ID. This is also whatever email ID is yours, you can write it here and just click on send details. Once you click this, your software is registered on this laptop. Remember, my software is one user license software. So wherever on whichever computer laptop you are going to register this software will be running on only that computer. So please register on the computer or laptop on which you are going to use it. Okay. Now this is the main screen from where you are going to navigate in whole software. So these are the options available and I will take you through all of them. Let us start with first Business Master. So Business Master is the information of your business and this information is going to appear in your invoice. So basically you will have to put in correct information so that it will be going to appear in your invoice. So business name, your contact details, mail ID. If you have website, put it yes or no. Website link, GST registered. If you are registered GST, yes, and GST number. If not, no. Bank details. Now these details are going to appear in your invoice wherein customers can see these details and pay you directly on the same bank account. So you have to put in those details, whether account is a saving account or current account, business address and business type. So business type is very important. If you are selling goods, select sale of goods. If you are selling services, select sale of services. I am going to explain you both one by one. So let us start first with sale of goods. Logo path. Now here you have to add logo. If you do not have any of your logo, keep it blank, no problem. Or just click here, you will be redirected to a screen and click on the select the logo from relevant path. Like if I'm selecting this, just path will appear over here. If you click add logo, the logo has been added to your printable format of your invoice. We'll come to that later and you will see that. Okay. Now we will just save and close. So back to our main menu. Now, second most important point is adding customer master. So customers generally are fixed. Like you are going to sell goods to same customer again and again. So you have to save its information so that the same will be repeated each time you are going to sell them on your invoice. So I have added two customers already, so this is the master in which you will see one by one all the customers. If you want to add new customer, you have to create new customer by clicking here, create new. So this is default number, you cannot change this. Customer name, so any name. Customer contact, email ID, GST number, PAN number. So PAN number is part of GST number, so you can just copy paste. Shipping address, city. I am not filling in full details because this is just an explanatory tutorial, so neither of this information is related to any company. So if you have shipping address and billing address same, you can copy paste, or if their addresses are different, you can give two different addresses. Both addresses are going to be appearing in your invoice. So these two details are important. After filling in details, you have to just click add customer. Once you click this, details will be getting automatically saved in your customer master, and this will be blank to add new customer. So if you click close, you're back to here, and now here new customer is appearing. If you miss out on something, let's say this is not a limited company, this is private limited company. So what to do now? Because here you cannot edit it. So you just click edit details, go to customer name drop down and select your customer. I'm sorry, here just to tell you, name you cannot edit, any other field. So if your name is wrong, you will have to delete that customer using customer ID. So if you click 3 and delete, it will be getting whole line deleted and you have to add again. But if any other details, let's say email ID is wrong, then you can go to edit customer, select here and get details. Once you get details, you have all the information. And let's say this is the change you have made, contact me instead of NSK and update. So the email ID here getting updated. So one point here, you cannot change customer name. You'll have to delete it and add new customer. But any other change, you can just edit it and do it. Okay. So now I have three customers. So save and close, come back here. Now your master data is ready. Your customer data is ready. Now in inventory details. So basically you will have to add inventory. So whatever you are going to sell, if you create a master once, then you are not going to write it again and again. So this is helpful for using the same number of inventory again and again. So this is the simple form wherein you write inventory name, HSN code as per GST, selling rate of the product and GST rate. Okay. So this is the inventory. Once you create this, just close. And now we come to the main part, that is add inventory. Sorry, create your invoice. So once you click this, you will appear at the format which is like an invoice, but this is not your printable invoice. This is the input page wherein you will input all the details. Now this will be your invoice number, which is containing your financial year and your number. So this will start from 1 at the start of financial year. Customer name. So you just have to select here customer. Once you select, all details will be appearing automatically. Let's say you sold this customer laptop, 5 laptops. So now this customer, if your state and customer state is same, who are selling in the state, so you'll have to select state sales and it will take automatically CGST and SGST. If you are selling out of your state, then select interstate sales and it will show SGST. So this is very important because if you miss out or if you do not select correctly, then your GST compliance will have effect. So select this correctly. Now one laptop is 5 laptops are sold. Just press save sales. Wait for a second. Once you do this, your information is gone into sales register. Now this is your sales register wherein all your information of sales is saved at one point. This is very important because you can use this same sales register to file your GSTR1 and all information is getting automatically saved so that you don't make any new efforts for this. Once this is saved, you cannot change this. So if by mistake you make wrong sales saved here, then you can delete it by typing in invoice number and delete sales. Okay. If you want to create one new sales, again go here. Now select this customer ID. This time we will at least make 2 or 3. Okay. So now we are selling 3 products and let's say we are selling this out of state and we are selling on 23 March 20 or 7 June. Now just click on save sales. Okay. Once you click this, go to sales. See your information of sales is appearing over here. Now how to print this? So if you go to print, you will be appearing at this printable invoice version. Now once we have created this invoice, let's say 6th invoice we have created. So just click on 6. Your invoice will be appearing as it is. However, whatever you have created, same invoice, but now this is in printable format, proper format wherein you can send this invoice to your customer. See, my logo is appearing over here. My information is appearing here. All the information, customer information is appearing over here. So you don't make anything manually. Everything is automated. Let's say you selected this invoice. This invoice will appear over here. So this is the printable format. Now, if you want to send to your customer this invoice, you just click print. Once you click print, automatically on your C drive, there a folder will be created, billing software, in which invoice PDF will be saved. So here my invoice is saved. See, if you want to print it and sign it and give to your customer. If you don't want to print, then digitally sign and give to your customer. Very easy and very fast. So you can generate this PDF n number of times. The data is safe in your Excel utility. Just make sure once this invoice is printed, shift this file from here to somewhere else, because every time you are going to create an invoice, this file will be replaced by that new invoice and your old invoice will be gone. So you will have to shift to another location. Okay. So this is how you prepare invoice. Now, if you want to prepare a debit note, the procedure is same. No change in the procedure. Just click here, select your customer, select your inventory, and after selecting that, just save. Procedure is all same, no change in the procedure. It will be saved in debit note register. Okay. If you can delete the debit note, you can prepare new one, you can go for printing in here. So version is printable, screen is also same, no change in that. You just give the invoice number and all details will be appearing. And if you print it again, same, we have kept this open. So print, just 1 second. You can just go and delete this invoice and try doing printing. Yes, new file saved. Now this is a debit note. So this is how debit note can be prepared. Same way, if you want to give someone credit note, you can just click on credit note and prepare in the same manner. Now, analysis. This is the USP of this product. Come to analysis, just refresh it and you will get all the analysis of your sales at one click. If you see, you have three customers. You have three customers and you can get the sales mix of this customer. So this customer is, you're selling him 48%, 36% and 16%. So here you get to know how much of your total sales comprises of how much customer. So this is helpful. The second is month wise sales. So 5 stands for May and 6 stands for June. So each month when you record data for whole year, you understand what is my monthly sales mix within and outside state. Now what is the percentage of sales within your state and outside your state? So 64 and 36, these numbers will give you an idea of your geographical sales. And here top 5 selling items by amount. So basically when you are selling, sales was 100 rupees. Out of that 100, what are your first top 5 contributing inventory? So this analysis will be very helpful for you. And top 5 selling items. So basically how much? So let's, in here, books contribute 65% of your sales. So the value wise, book is contributing 65%, but quantity wise, whiteboard is contributing 66%. Okay, and value wise, books are contributing, whiteboard is contributing 25%. So 66% items inventory you're selling to get 25% of the value of your total sales. So this is how you can analyze this your own sales and then take decisions to improve your business in future. So this analysis point is very important. You can get this at fingertips. Just come here and refresh, and your analysis is ready. So this you can call USP of my software, wherein you get this at your fingertips. The next one is backup. So backup option is given, and this option is very important. Let's say at the month end you want to file your GST R1, in which you have to fill in details of your sales. So you can just click on sales or debit note register. Once you click it, you will have file saved called sales register in same path, and this file will be appearing here. Now all your sales are saved in a separate Excel sheet out of that software, and you will get it easily to file your return. Now, if you now backup facility can also be used periodically to take out data and save it on a separate path on your another path, so that if something happens, your laptop crashes, computer crashes, your files, your sales are safe, and you can retrieve it anytime you want. Similarly, you can export your masters. So once you click on your masters, your inventory will be out, your customer master will be out. So that this will be also safe. You can keep it somewhere else. Take periodical backups so that something wrong happens, you have your data safe. Delete all sales, debit note, credit note. Now this option is very important. I will suggest this option is not useful in month on month basis. So when you click on here, it will ask you, are you sure you really want to delete all? And if you click on delete, it will just delete all your sales, all your debit notes, all your credit note, but not your masters. So masters will be as it is. Now, why this option is given? The only thing this option will be useful is when your year is ended. So when your year is ended, what you can do is you can create copy of my software, keep that year's all data safe, and in the copy you just click on this delete, so that all previous year sales, debit notes, credit notes will be deleted, and you will have a brand new software which you will start filling in from day one of new year. So every year you can just use this and create a new file for new year, so that all your data will be split at year wise. Okay. So if you save, again go back to main menu. Now there is one facility of re-register. So if your laptop crashes, you purchase new laptop, this file is not going to work on that new. So on that case, which are remote cases, you can just contact me and I will help you to re-register your software into your new device, and it will work same. Okay. So now next option is sale of service. I will help you with sale of service in the next video. So stay tuned. And if you are going to sell services, you can see my next video.